Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we provide tips and tricks to help small to medium-sized businesses. Today, we're going to show you how to install and set up Tally Prime, an accounting software that helps businesses streamline their financial management processes. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation and setup process, so you can get started with Tally Prime in no time.
Step 1. Download Tally Prime.
So in your browser you type tallysolutions.com. When you type tallysolutions.com like this, you enter. When you enter, this is the page you will see. So after you are on this page, you'll come to download. When you come to download, you click download. When you click download, it will bring you to this page. So this is the latest version 2.1. So you select here, you download this version. So when you click download here, it will download and save it to your computer. I'm using IDM. So when you click start, it will download. So this is Tally Prime. So when it's complete, you can go to you open the folder. When you open the folder, it will take you to the directory where the file is located. Yeah, so this is the file we've downloaded. So next will be installation. How do we install Tally Prime?
Step 2. Installing Tally Prime.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Tally Prime. Yeah, this is our setup. So we are going to run it. Then you run as an administrator. Then here you say yes. When you say yes, here it will ask you to install. So here you have to set a location where you want your Tally Prime to go or to install. So you have to first come to configure, show more. Yeah, so this is Tally Prime. So come to more actions, then you come to install. When you come to install, it will install in a different directory. It is going to install in C, program files, / Tally Prime. Yeah, so I think this location is okay. So we click install for the program to install. So it will take some few minutes to install. So it is installing. So when it's done installing, it will ask you start Tally Prime, or the shortcut command is S. So when you click start Tally Prime, it will open. So that's how we install Tally Prime. Yeah.
Now that you've installed Tally Prime, in the next video we will move on to setting up Tally Prime.
Thanks for watching. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel.